Hi parents, I am Vikas. I have with me one of our most best graders here. Her name is Becca Anderson. She has been working with us for past couple of years. I just want to make use of her expertise and her knowledge in my Kumon Center. And so currently Becca is doing her master's in psychology. And so I'm just going to talk to Becca and try and get her expertise in how we can do better in our Kumon Center. And I'm going to ask Becca a couple of questions here. Okay, now let's go over to Becca for the answers to these questions. Okay, Becca, what have you learned from your experiences at Kumon working with children during these years?
So I've learned that it's very rewarding to see children come to us from the early age of 3 or 4 all the way till high school, and just to see how much they grow and how much they learn. And it's really cool to see them go from learning one-on-one to learning by themselves in the classroom.
Okay, very nice. And so what techniques do you follow with the kindergartners especially?
So with kindergarteners, there's a lot of repetition, a lot of going over instructions with them, and also a lot of just getting them to focus on things like writing their names, writing their times, and just kind of getting them in the habit of working and putting little details on their worksheets.
Okay, good. And so you have a master's in psychology. And so how do you think your learning in psychology can help teaching kids with the special needs in Kumon Center?
So I think a lot of it comes down to just the way that we treat them, just being patient with them and just being nice and helping them out with all that they need, or any challenges that might come along. And I think that that's the same way with any kid that we have in our Kumon Center. I think it's really important to have a strong rapport with our kids and just be able to have good relationships with all of them so they look forward to coming, and it's not just something that they have to do.
Thank you, Becca. I'm so lucky to have good graders like you, and we all want to do the best for our parents and for our students. And in fact, I just want to say thank you to all the parents who have been sending kids to our Kumon Center. And let's keep learning, let's keep going, let's keep healthy and safe. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.